Hello everyone, welcome back to the ARTAN'S teaching. Today we are going to learn a great and useful English structure which help describe past habits or situations that are no longer true in the present. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to confidently use used to in affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence with fluency and accuracy. So first of all, we will show the affirmative sentence. The structure will be subject plus used to plus base form of the verb. Okay, for example, I used to play football every weekend. I used to play football every weekend, but now I don't play football, right? Okay. Notice the structure. Subject I, used to, base form of the verb play, right? I used to play football every weekend. Okay. She used to live in London. She used to live in London, but now she lived another place, another country, right? Okay. And another example is, we used to visit our grandparents every summer, right? Okay. And now let's see negative structure. The structure will be subject plus did not, didn't plus used to plus base form of the verb. For example, I didn't used to play cricket. I didn't used to play cricket. Notice here that we don't use here used to. We use used to instead of used to. But why? Because we have already didn't, which is past, right? Okay. So another example is, he didn't used to run every morning. He didn't used to run every morning. And now let's see interrogative structure. Okay, the structure will be did plus subject plus used to plus base form of the verb and question mark, right? Okay, for example, did you used to play football every holiday? Did you used to play football every holiday? Did you used to watch my video? Did you used to watch my video? Okay. Although we say used to in positive sentences, in negative and question sentences we drop the D and say used to, right? Okay. And now let's see a paragraph, some sentences about a prisoner which describe his past situations. Okay. And I hope after say this paragraph you all be able to use used to in your sentences, and you will be able to describe your past habits. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, we are watching a man who is sitting on a chair, and his dress and his environment showing us that he is a prisoner, right? So now we will show his story. Okay. So here we are watching a title, The Life He Used to Live. The Life He Used to Live. Okay. Once there was a man named Ian. He used to have a beautiful life. He used to live in a small but cozy house with his loving wife Zara. Every morning he used to make tea for her. They used to laugh, dream, and take evening walks hand in hand. Wow, what a wonderful life he had, right? Ian used to work as a mechanic. He didn't earn much, but he was happy. He used to come home tired, but the smile on Zara's face made all his pain disappear. They used to dance in the rain, cook together, and talk for hours under the stars. Life was simple but full of love. But one day, a terrible misunderstanding changed everything. Ian was wrongly accused of a crime and sent to prison. So sad. Now he sits alone in his cell thinking about the life he used to live. The smell of Zara's cooking, her soft voice, the warmth of her hands, all of it is now just a memory. He tells the younger prisoners, I used to be the happiest man in the world. I had love, peace, and a reason to live. Though Ian is behind bars, his heart still lives in the past, in the life he used to love. I think everybody understood how to use used to in sentences and how to describe your past situations or actions or habits, right? Okay, so now it's your turn. Write your opinion in the comment section about this video, about this lesson, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.